Hi, this is meteorologist Steve Pelletieri, and I am the Weatherman. Thanks for checking in to weathermanpod.com for your Thursday, the 25th day of January 2024. And we're in the January thaw, at least across the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast. Well, the Mid-Atlantic hasn't had tremendous cold weather, but we have had, at least over the last couple of weeks, temperatures below normal for about 5 to 10 days. Half the month across the northeast corridor from D.C. up to the Boston area, half the month has been below normal, but when it was above normal, it was so high above normal that it's actually caused the average temperatures to be 1 to 2 degrees above normal as we head in to the last days of January. So it is a thaw. It's something that you can look back into the record books and always see somewhere around the middle to maybe the third week of January that there is that little bit of a warm-up. And it usually is because the upper level wind flow, the jet stream, migrates further north for about a week or so. And the polar vortex, which keeps all that Arctic air over the North Pole, contains the Arctic air far north. When that jet stream breaks down, when you have what we call sudden stratospheric warming, and that's some of that warming that comes up out of the desert southwest at higher altitudes, it breaks down the jet stream, and the net effect is an outbreak of cold air. Now, some cold air will be arriving in the first week of February. As a matter of fact, there's one area of low pressure that's moving by the eastern seaboard. Most likely will re-intensify some point later Sunday, or the secondary low pressure system, and that could end up some wet snow in many communities across Pennsylvania, New York, and New England. But something we'll be watching as we go through the weekend, and the Weatherman Pod will be on every day right through Sunday. Taking a look at the airline hubs across the nation, we see that up in the New York, Newark area, it is going to be continued IFR, so they're going by the book. So probably about 1 to 2 hour delays because of the weather, low ceilings and visibilities, and rainfall. Boston, not as bad, just some clouds there, and looks like some rainy weather will be moving in. Also rain in Charlotte and Atlanta, so both places are going to have a tough time with keeping the flight schedules on time. And that's because they connect with so many other places across the nation. So I expect a lot of aviation delays if you're traveling on Friday. On Saturday, they'll probably be trying to make up for it. And with that in mind, they'll probably get into an improved flying outlook across the nation if, in fact, you are flying on Saturday. I think it will be a lot better. In Texas, Dallas, and also Houston looking pretty good. Chicago having some rain showers. Minneapolis, St. Paul, not too bad. No major weather there. In the Denver area, there'll be some snow showers, but that's about it. L.A. and San Francisco, finally dry, but it looks like it's going to be raining again up in the Pacific Northwest and Seattle. There's the weather situation for the Northeast corridor. It looks like rain, drizzle, and fog for your Thursday, and it looks like high temperatures right around 50 degrees. Rain, drizzle, and fog continue at night Thursday with nighttime temperatures hovering down near 40. And the rain ends on Friday morning. Then we get into a clearing trend Friday afternoon, but it'll be a slow and gradual one. Temperatures could go into the mid-50s, so still well above normal by some 12 degrees. And as we head towards Saturday, a little bit of clearing for a day. Then that low-pressure system, that storm that I mentioned, is going to bring rain, possibly ending as wet snow or a snowstorm on the eastern seaboard Sunday night or Monday. I'm meteorologist Steve Pelletieri, and I am the Weatherman. Thanks for checking in. Talk to you again tomorrow.